WhatsApp has added Meta AI to enhance its user experience, initially serving as a personal assistant and available in Hindi. The app is now working on a new feature called Chat Memory, which allows Meta AI to remember important user details, allowing for personalized recommendations. However, the feature is still in development and there are no complete details available. Let's take a look at WhatsApp's Chat Memory feature. WhatsApp is set to introduce a new feature that will allow Meta AI to automatically remember specific details shared with it. This will enable Meta AI to provide personalized responses based on user preferences, such as dietary preferences, birthdays, and formal language preferences. It may also remember allergies or hobbies. The aim is to make interactions with Meta AI more helpful by providing suggestions and advice that fit your lifestyle and preferences. Users will have the ability to control what Meta AI remembers and update or delete the information at any time. But what are the concerns with memory features? Previous companies have faced criticism for chat memory features, such as Microsoft's Recall and Google's Pixel screenshots. WhatsApp's chat memory will allow users to save specific details, but its functionality will be tested upon release. Previous companies faced criticism for invading users' personal space. Do tell us what you think about this video in the comments section. And for more AI news updates, subscribe to AajTak AI.